Hello, today's video is going to be about organization, specifically for these little suckers. MicroSD cards. They're used in all kinds of devices such as this fine little Insta360 camera, drones, Android phones, GoPros, the Pocket 2 that this is being filmed on. They go missing because you put them in your pocket, you put them in your bag, you put them someplace. They've always got to be either in a holder or you got to kind of fiddle around with them in a bag to make sure you got the right one. I found a solution that works really well. It's called the SD card holder. They come in multiple colors, and what they are, if you can see that there, they are simply just a little 10 slots for 10 cards, as well as an adapter to go to a regular SD card. And I get them in 3 colors because I like red for cards that need to be downloaded. So if I've quickly got to change a card and want to remember that, yes, this needs to be downloaded, it goes in the red spot. By the way, there are numbers on here at slot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so you can remember what's what, and you can just start on number 1. Blue is for cards that have been downloaded but haven't been formatted. So depending upon which camera I'm going to use them in, I might just leave them in blue until I decide they're going to go in a camera and get formatted. And green is formatted and ready to go. So this really helps with my organization. They just pop out. It does kind of take 2 hands to pop them out. There's a little flange there to make sure that they don't accidentally move. So you pop the little flange, take the card, slam it in your camera, and you're ready to go. I just made took a paper clip, bent it on end, because there is a little hole on the end of these to be able to hold them. But they're about $8 on Amazon, and it's a great idea for keeping organized. That's it.